Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the exact account that uploaded the short. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio on desktop for fastest control or use the Channel Uploads tab in the mobile app. You want to identify the target item visually, vertical video under 60 seconds, labeled short. Make sure to switch to the channel that actually owns the content, otherwise you'll edit the wrong library. From here, move directly to the content list. That's where deletion begins. Once in content, filter to show shorts only so you avoid longer uploads. You'll see each short with its details. Click the three-dot menu or the options icon next to the item you want to remove. Choose Delete. Note: Delete removes the file permanently from YouTube, whereas Unlist only hides it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. YouTube will ask to verify. If you manage multiple channels, repeat these steps for each channel where a short exists. After you confirm deletion, YouTube removes the short immediately, but cached views or search results can persist briefly. Clear your app cache and refresh Studio to verify removal. If the video still appears after a hard refresh, wait a few minutes and check again. If you don't see a delete option, it usually means you lack permission or a third-party claim exists. Make sure you're the channel owner or ask the channel manager. Contact YouTube support only if the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.